Sherpa, I've got a plan. I've got a plan. Come listen. It's a good one. Okay. Now lockdown's almost over. Do you want to go and see your best friend tomorrow? I'm not joking either. We definitely will. We'll wake up early. Quite early. And then we'll go. Okay. You excited? How long has it been since you last saw him? It was a long time ago, wasn't it? Can you remember what he looks like? Do you think he's put on weight? What are you going to tell him? Oh, is that what you're going to say? You're going to jump on him? One more sleep. And then we'll go tomorrow. If you can wait that long. Tomorrow. Tell him about everything we've done, can't you? Do you think you'll have to wear a mask? I don't think you should. Do you think he'll wear one? Do you think you can keep 1 metre apart? Not going to happen, is it? Okay. Oop. I bet you're not going to sleep tonight now, are you? I bet you'll try to. Oh, I love you too, buddy. Okay, should we pack and make some sandwiches, get ready to go? Okay. You can do a happy dance. Is that your happy dance? We're not playing musical chairs, we're happy dancing. Happy dance? Yeah! Good boy! You are the cutest thing, aren't you? You know, yeah, I know, yeah. Yeah. You know you are. Good boy. What day is it in America today? Yeah, Independence Day. Say, say happy. Happy. Independence. Hey. You're a chip. You're a Wally. Come on. You're right. Good boy. You're a good boy, ain't you? Race ya. Good morning, Sherpa. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Guess where we're going today? Guess where we're going today? You excited? Do you want 5 more minutes sleep?